camera is rolling, let me tell you a little about uh, the, you know, little about the way of author vlogs. I'm a little awkward and I'm an introvert, so I don't really go outside. And these days, you can't really go outside because of COVID, of course. So I thought, how can I use my days more productively? And since 2020 went by in like a huge whirl in my head, and people lost their jobs, I lost my job, so I was like, how do I rediscover a way to you know strategize my income, to be honest. Like, how can I earn money? And that was a huge thing for me during this time. So um, I remembered back in 2018, I used to bullet journal, and I just wanted to be a little bit more productive than what I'm being inside, because days just go by and do not really know what I'm doing. I go to bed and then it's like the week starts at Monday and then it's Wednesday and nobody knows what's happening. So trying to be more mindful about my days. So today I also like bought myself a journal. So I did some journaling. I will show you that later in the video how I set up. It's not really artsy. So if you're looking for a average pretty girl artsy bullet journal, it won't be that, but I will give you a little flip through. But what I'm going to tell you is that I've been trying to do more, be more mindful about what I'm doing, trying to create more content. I'm also trying to be out there like on podcasts and trying to write more, so it becomes like um, you know like people have multiple streams of income, so it could be one of those. And also to like start a podcast. So today I'm going to work on a podcast script, and if I'm lucky, then the first the first episode of my podcast would be live. And with this daily vlog, I'm also going to probably, you'll also see me writing. Hopefully I'll get some writing done today. And yeah, that's the basic gist of this video. Is you'll see me creating something. So far I've accomplished like cleaning my home, did some laundry, cooked meals for my family, I ate, I also took a shower. Yeah, so basically, and it's 2 p.m. So far I have done a couple of things. Probably nap, because like napping. But we'll see what else we can accomplish today. I'll probably show you small tidbits and bits. And if you like it, then you like it, and if you do not, then you do not. And I know I've not been very active on this channel. Yeah, because so many things were happening and I needed to take a step back and process my emotions and things. But but today when I woke up, I felt like it's the right time to fix my life a little bit and get back into the gist of things. So I've also not practiced my English in a long while, so if you see me stammering, that's why. At home we speak in Hindi, so yeah. And this is perhaps also a way to practice my English a little bit, because I do not have anyone to speak it with. So it has been a couple of days since I've spoken in English. So yeah, that's also something. And yeah, probably take you through my flip through, and then we'll probably see bits of me writing. Perhaps in another video I can show you my strategy, like how I publish. If you'll be interested, you can let me know. Like I've had a couple thousand views on Wattpad. Working on publishing my fiction on Radish Fiction. I have a couple of stories out. One of my book has not a lot of reads, but like a couple thousand reads as well. So that's one of my goals for by the end of this year, to get it a little bit more popular. Perhaps to build like a small audience, people who look forward to my stuff. That's all my long-term writing goals. So basically, yeah, I'm going to turn this channel around a little bit, maybe make more writing life content, because that's what I'm doing right now, and that's what it makes more sense to make right now. Yeah, and perhaps if I feel like it, I also wanted to do tarot spreads videos, so probably will make that. If anyone would be interested, I'll probably keep making them, but it won't be like every day, because I want to like stick to author vlogs. Yeah, so that's the agenda for today, and I hope you will like the video. Thank you for sticking around, and I'll just take you to my through of my bullet journal. So here is my bullet journal. This is a simple key which you need to have to see what you're going to name your tasks. So this is my task: science, just basic science, appointments, priorities, and you see this. And then these are page ideas. These are some things that I wanted to track. These are like very helpful. I just found one very fun summer bucket list idea from Pinterest, and I used to enjoy that when I used to be younger, so I would do that. So just one fun spread. Yeah, and then I created some pages, books I've read and books I want to read. Then there's some personal stuff, so I hopefully it just opens to June. Okay, yeah, so this is my June page, monthly calendar for something comes up, anyone's birthday. These are Pride quotes that I really relate to, so I put that here. And also June is a Pride month, so there's that. And then I set up like a finance page. Then this is in my mind, like brain dump. This is my favorite spread. It tracks so many things. It's a grid, so I put everything that I wanted to track here. I think it will perhaps change by the next month, but this is what I really want to track right now. And this is like a post tracker, social media tracker, where I'm going to be posting about my writing journey and things like that. So this is all I needed, and this is all I wanted. If you wanted something artsy, this is I do not, I'm an artist, but I do not like making those spreads because it's not very functional for me.